So moving off the topic of units of measure, let's look at what's the perimeter of a figure. Make note of this fancy word here, perimeter. It means the distance around the figure. The distance around. As opposed to inside. Okay, so we're just talking about the distance on the outside. So distance around the figure. Think of like walking around your swimming pool, for example. Okay, so like this, you're gonna go walking around outside of your swimming pool. Okay, so let's say you're given a rectangle such as this. Let's say this is 8 inch. The length is 8 inch. The width is 3 inch. So that makes the top 8 inch also. And then the left would be 3 inch. Same as the right side. Okay. So if the question says, hey buddy, what's the perimeter of this figure? You would simply add up the sides. Okay. So perimeter is equal to, okay, the left side is 3 inch plus the bottom is 8 inch plus the right side is 3 inch and then the top is 8 inch. Add them all up. 3 plus 8 is 11 plus 3 is 14 plus 8 is 22. So you can break this down into 11 plus 11 if you like. Okay, so altogether you get 22 inches. Okay. So occasionally you might be given a rectangle that is missing a side. Okay, let's say we don't know what the bottom side is, but we know that the left side is 10 feet, the right side is 10 feet, the top is 7 feet. Okay. What would be the perimeter of this rectangle here? Okay, so step 1, find the missing side. Okay, missing side. In order to do that, we need to think about what is the definition of a rectangle. In a rectangle, the opposite sides are congruent, meaning they're the same length. So left is equivalent to right. Top, let's say, would be equivalent to the bottom side. So the bottom side would be also 7 feet. Okay, so the missing side is 7 feet. Okay, now we can find the perimeter. Okay, so step 2 would be find the perimeter, because that's what the question is asking. Okay, so find the perimeter. Okay, so use the formula. Perimeter is equal to the distance around. Okay, so you can take 7 plus 10 plus 7 plus 10. Okay, so you have 17 plus 17. You can think of it that way. Okay, equal 34. The unit is in feet, so that's what we'll leave it at. Okay? So, final answer, 34 feet.